In Creo 11, we have made enhancements to our ModelCHECK usability, as well as introduced some new ModelCHECK checks. First, we will look at the usability enhancements. Running ModelCHECK, we can see that we now have flag indicators to show, quickly, a high-level indication on whether or not the part has passed. Here they are green, but they can also be yellow for warning and red for error. We can also see that alongside the already existing functionality of sorting checks by errors and warnings, we can also sort them by past checks. This enables a more in-depth and efficient review process for your report. Now, if we look at one of our errors, you can see that the components not only are highlighted in the model, but now with 11, these called out components are also highlighted in the model tree. This additional cross-reference makes it easier to find the area in need of necessary changes. Now, let's look more closely at the ModelCHECK settings. New with Creo 11 is the option to run a test based on the last saved date. This is a new configuration field that can be used to configure appropriate boundaries on your checks. Opening up my drawing of this wheel, I will show you one of our new checks with Creo 11. Running our report, you can see that an error appears to indicate an unscaled drawing view. This error is based on a new check that allows you to set a specified list of drawing view scales. In this model, we can see that I have 3 components out of scale. Opening the view scale check, we can see the set of view scales I have specified as appropriate for the drawing. Now I will edit the file to allow 2 more view scales and see how that affects my report. Rerunning the report, we can see that I now fixed one of those 2 errors, and we are down to 2 components being out of standard scale. These enhancements make ModelCHECK better to use and enrich your experience with this powerful tool.